with cash. So what will increase? Answer. Cash will also increase. So इधर आएगा plus 60. Liabilities will be nil. Nil means 0. Okay. Put it as 0. There is no effect on the liability. Capital increased by how much? 60,000. Is that clear? Now does this equation hold good? Capital plus liabilities is equal to assets? Yes. So if you want to write an equation, I'll write it something like this. This is 60,000. This is 0 is equal to how much? 60,000. Okay. Second transaction. Don't write anything right now. I'll first help you out. Tell me the second one. Paid rent in advance. So anything paid rent in advance. Now when you pay anything in advance, it is an asset. So asset increases by 500. If it is paid, cash reduces by 500. So this is minus 500. Now if I put the equation, definitely this is 0. Either be 0 hai, either be 0 hai. Now if I draw equation line, okay, you already have 60,000. 60,000 plus 0 is 60,000. 0 plus 0 is 0. 60,000 plus 500 minus 500 is 60,000. Again the equation holds good. 60,000 plus 0 is equal to 60,000. Artha hai tha? Are understood? Okay, now tell me the third one. Third one. What is that third one? Purchased goods for cash 30 and credit 20. So total purchases कितना है? Total purchased goods cash 30 na, and credit is how much? 20. So total purchase कितना है? 50 ना? अरे आंसर यार, 30 plus 20 is 50. Means your stock is increasing by plus 50. This is stock. Stock increases. Titu? Are yes. But cash reduces. Is cash paid? How much? So this will be minus 30. This will be cash. Cash reduces. Stock increases. Barabar hai? Now liability also increases. Why? On credit. So blue ink plus 20. No effect. This is 0. Now put the equation. 60 plus 0. Hello? 60 plus 0. How much? 60,000. 0 plus 20,000. Plus 20,000. Then 60,000 plus 50,000 minus 30,000. 60,000 plus 50,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 80. So 80 is equal to 80. Holding good? Holding good? Equation should hold good. Is that clear? Next. Fourth. Tell me. Fourth. Sold goods for cash 30,000 costing 20,000. 20,000 का चीज 30,000 में बेच रहे हो. 20,000 ವಸ್ತು 30,000 ಮಾರಾತರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 30. So plus 30,000. This is cash. Cash increases. ತಿಳಿತು? ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆತಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು? minus 20. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆತು. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯಿತು 20,000. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 10,000. This profit is enjoyed by owner. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 10,000. This is nothing but profit. This is 0. So tell me. हाँ, लाइन आके हेड रहे कितना आ रहा है बोलो? इधर 70,000, इधर 20,000 और इधर आता है प्लस 90,000. 90,000 है. 80 plus 30 minus 20 is what? 90. So 90 is equal to 90. Yes. Here pa. Fifth one. Tell me. Paid salary 500. Salary outstanding 100. Total expense is 600. Total expense is? If expense increases, then it will be capital reduces. Clear? So this will be minus 600. But cash, how much have you paid? Minus 500 cash. And liability increases. Outstanding salary means salary yet to be paid. Duddu kodatakadu means liability increases. So plus 100. Now total it. It will tally. 69,400 plus 20,100 is equal to minus 900 89,500. Does it hold good? Yes. 69,400 plus 20,100 is 89,500. Is that clear? Sixth, motorcycle for personal use. Motorcycle for personal use means it is drawings. Bought motorcycle. So cash is paid. Cash reduces by how much? So minus 5,000 cash reduces. And also minus 5,000 capital. Capital also reduces. But this is drawings. This is drawings, not profit. Is that clear? So अभी finally tally होता है क्या देखो? Yes. ये कितना आया? 69,400 minus 5,000. 4,400 plus 20,000. ये तो zero है. Then इधर minus 5,000 क्या तो? 84,000. Does it tally? It tallies. Is that clear? Do it like this. I hope it is clear. Yes. Karo. Increases, asset also increases. Yes. Clear? Creditors paid. Tell me. Creditors paid in cash. Tell me. Liability reduces. Asset also entry. Creditors paid entry. Paid. Cash account debit barangila. Creditors account debit. Liability reduces. 2 cash. Asset reduces. Titu. Yes. Aditi, Sanvi, concentrate. You cannot talk in the class. Aditi, answer. Debtors. Cash received from debtors. Cash received from debtors. Who are debtors? Asset. Tell me the journal entry. Cash account debit. 2. Debtors account credit. So one asset increases and debtors is also asset. Debtors will reduce. So one asset increases, another asset reduces by the same amount. Net effect is 0. Yes. Okay. Tell me one more thing. Bad debts. Debtors are there. Good debtors. But that debtor is not paying the money. Debtor says, go to hell, I will not pay the money. So debtors are coming down and loss will increase. Where is the effect? Asset decreases. That is debtors balance is decreasing. And bad debts is a loss. If loss increases, capital reduces. So capital reduces and asset also reduces. Is that clear? समझ में आ रहा है? Have you done this? Okay. Huh? Yes or no? Here, so Ashtabantra total, correct? Okay. Classwork. Illustration 3 is for your class work. Do it. क्या क्या आता है बोलो? First one. Commence business with cash. You write the transactions. I am not going to write the transactions. I am just going to write 1. Capital increases by how much? 50,000. No effect on liabilities. Asset will increase by 50,000 and this is cash. This is, I am just writing for your understanding that this is cash. Is that clear? So total will be what? 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. Is that clear? Now tell me the second one. Tell me the second one. Purchase goods for cash 20,000 and credit 30,000. Stock increases by how much? Plus 50, stock increases. I think minus 20, cash reduces. Yes? And plus what? Liability कितना है? 30,000 and this is 0. बराबर है? Add it. कितना आता है देखो, टोटल करो भी. टोटल को करो. This should tally. 50 plus 0 is 50,000. Yes? अरे यार, ये 8 है क्या? Okay, anyway. Understood? हाँ, then here 0 plus 30 is 30,000. हाँ, is equal to 50,000 plus 50,000 minus 20,000. Equation is holding good. Correct? Yes. Third one. Sold goods for cash costing 30,000. Tell me. Plus 30,000. Cash increases. Agreed? And stock reduces by how much? 40. Okay, sorry. Cash by 40. Okay, one second. Cash increases by 40,000. Stock reduces by minus 30 stock. Correct? So profit increases by 10,000. So plus 10,000. This is nothing but P. P means profit. Is that clear? Total करो. टोटल क्या आएगा इधर? 50 प्लस 10 विच इज 60,000. बराबर है? ये 0 है. 30 प्लस 0 इज 30,000. शुड बी इक्वल टू 80 प्लस 40 माइनस 30 इज 90,000. समझ में आ रहा है? So on and so forth you have to do. I don't have the space here. Is that clear? Fourth. चलो anyway I'll do it. Fourth, tell me. Rent paid क्या आता है बोलो? Rent paid. How much? Minus 500 cash. And rent is an expense. If expense increases, capital reduces. Minus 500. This is nil. Correct? Total. बोलो. Total tell me. 59,500 plus 30,000 should be equal to 89,500. बराबर है? Are you getting it now? Similarly, tell me the fifth one. Rent means rent is already you have incurred, means you have received the services. आपका expense हो चुका, but you have still not paid. Understood? So rent is an expense. Tell me. Minus 100. Minus, it's an expense. And plus 100. इधर आएगा plus 100. This will be 0. Correct? Net effect total 59,400 plus ये plus 100 आएगा 30,100 is equal to 89,500. Correct? Sixth, bought furniture on credit. Tell me, bought furniture on credit. बोलो. Asset increased by how much? 5,000. Correct? Plus 5,000 furniture. Liability increases. Plus 5,000 liability. Correct? This is 0. चलो total करो. Oh, ತೆಳಗೈತ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. That's okay. I did not see that. Okay, total बोलो. 59,400 plus है 35,100 is equal to 94,000. Does it hold good? Clear? Okay, next. Seventh. Bought refrigerator for personal use. Obviously, you have bought it for cash. If nothing is mentioned, bought it for cash. Minus 5,000 and minus 5,000. Capital also reduces. ये nil होगा. Correct? बोलो total करो. टोटल आएगा 54,400. ये दिस प्लस दिस 35,100 इज इक्वल टू दिस माइनस दिस 89,500. बराबर है. एट्थ वन. टेल मी द एट्थ वन. परचेज बिल्डिंग फॉर कैश. हाँ, प्लस 20,000 बिल्डिंग एंड कैश रिड्यूसेस माइनस कैश. Cash minus 20,000. This is 0. This is 0. Total is going to remain the same. 54,400, 35,100, and here 89. हो गया. Clear, guys? Able to understand? So ये हो गया point number 3. Balance sheet कैसा करने का हम बाद में सिखाऊंगा. You don't have to worry about it. Is that clear? ये comprehensive sum बाद में लेंगे. Suggested answer. Okay, balance sheet is given. We'll see that balance sheet later on. Any difficulty? Clear? Okay. Now your homework. Hello. I will send you, all of you. Tomorrow is a holiday. No class. On Monday, you have to come with one extra sum I will be sending.